This video is intended to demonstrate and facilitate the use of a Unified Brands product. It is not intended as a substitute for actual training and knowledge concerning the complete operation of the product. Accordingly, prior to actual use, any operator should be thoroughly familiar with the operator's manual and all instructions regarding the safe operation of the product.
Hey, this is Chef Michael from the Unified Brands Test Kitchen. I'm coming to you today to talk with you about tilting steam jacketed kettles. Either for the tabletop models or for the floor mounted models, the fundamentals are still the same. We work with high quality stainless steel construction and great engineering to make the most durable and functional kettle available in the market today. First, I want to talk to you about the lower hemisphere. Actually, a kettle or a steam jacketed kettle is like two pots welded together. Distilled water is used in the bottom. It's heated to create steam and it covers the lower part of the kettle. That's very even, resists scorching in any area. That evenly heats all of the lower hemisphere. And then you have an area above the heating source I call the cool zone. And what this does is it allows products to move within that cooking environment and balance its temperature. Now around the edge we have a reinforced rim. What this does is it helps resist any dinging or tinging by metal instruments or utensils that you use to stir with. And then the butterfly shaped pouring lip is very wide. That allows a large amount of liquid to move into the funnel and follow into the pour path to your container. Also, this kettle is center pivoted with one connection to the trunnion. And what this does is it allows it to evenly pour and reduces the length of the pour path. Now on this unit we have a tangent draw-off. A tangent draw-off allows you to pull liquids and particulates off the bottom of the pot while you're cooking and either re-add if you're making a stock or just pour it off to a container and take if you're making soup or stew or gravy. Now this TDO bolt in the front comes apart and the whole assembly can be taken to the dish room and this put in the dishwasher. Also, you see the design on the bottom of the kettle is very open and so it's easily cleaned around the kettle every day. The water resistant box houses the gears for the tilting. 23 turns tilts the kettle completely over. There's also a lid that's available for the kettles, both free pull and then there's a spring assist lid on the larger kettles. You see the thermostat on the side of the kettle turns the energy on and off. Now this is an electric kettle and we also have gas kettles. Standard sizes can run from 20 gallons up to 80 gallons. There are larger gallon sizes available. All of our large kettles are made with 316 stainless steel with molybdenum added to it to resist any of the ill effects of high acid foods such as tomatoes and tomato products and vinegar based products. So this has an extremely long life. On the right of the kettle you'll notice that there's a box that houses the gears. It's also got a light that illuminates when the elements are engaged or when the gas valve is open and gas is firing. On the back of this water resistant box is a bracket to hold your faucet or sprayer, which I highly suggest for this application because this has a lot of capacity. On the right rear you'll have the pressure gauge and the water level for the kettle. Now you should never have to add water, but if your service guy does, make sure he uses distilled water. There's some great accessories available online or in our catalog, such as this strainer. Be sure to take a look. Okay, now it's time to wrap up our discussion about the Groen steam jacketed kettle. This is Chef Michael from the Unified Brands Test Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.